Well, Tijesu joins me now. She's been monitoring the development in Abuja. She joins us live via Skype. Tijesu, thank you for joining us at this time. It's day one of the national public hearing. Share with us some of the highlights.
Well, it's not really different from the other zonal public hearings that have been holding in the 6 geopolitical zones across the country. There were major issues raised ranging from electoral reforms to more inclusiveness, more women participation in politics. But one issue that seems to have dominated the public discourse is generating a new constitution, that is a fresh constitution. Well, the chairman of the committee of the review of the 1999 constitution actually addressed that before the event started by making reference to section 9 of the 1999 constitution, which actually empowers the National Assembly to alter the provisions of the 1999 Constitution and the mode to which it's being done. He says the Constitution actually makes no reference to writing a fresh Constitution. Rather, it empowers lawmakers to make alterations. So anything going against this section of the Constitution is actually wrong. And he actually advised these citizens to pay more attention or channel their energy to, making contributions and recommendations, that would, be reflected, because they will pay particular attention to every contribution and recommendations made. So they should channel that energy to making contributions that will help them alter the Constitution, to make them come up with a document that is all-inclusive and that will capture the minds of all Nigerians.
All right, so just we know that before now they have been called for fresh constitution, new constitution, not review, not amendments to the 1999 constitution, perhaps not even the 1963 constitution. Does it seem, from the body language you have seen, does it seem that could be a reality?
Like I said earlier, this is not some sort of reality. What you're actually telling them is to make contributions. The Section 9 of the 1999 Constitution already empowers the lawmakers to alter the 1999 or to alter constitutions. So before there is a new constitution, there has to be an alteration to an existing constitution. And that is what is actually going on. That is the reason for this exercise as you are seeing it right now. So there is going to be a new fresh constitution, of course, but this is going to actually come from, the contributions of the people right now. That is why they are holding this public hearing, to get public inputs to these documents so that it will reflect the minds of Nigerians, and it will also, give birth to a fresh constitution.
All right, and how would you describe the conduct of the people and their acceptance of the process?
Well, the citizens seemed, welcoming. They were open to the process. Everybody freely expressed their views, and they are actually hoping that this will actually reflect their minds as, being assured, since the National Assembly has already given them that assurance that their, inputs will be reflected in this document. So they received this with open arms, and they freely made their contributions, and they are hoping that the National Assembly actually comes up with this document before it proceeds on its annual recess, which is in June.
All right, Tijesu, thank you for that update. We look forward to hearing from you what happens on day 2 of that public hearing. Thank you again.